to fix Apple Music download not working. First, if you're having problems with the Apple Music download, you want to make sure that you have an active music subscriptions. Open your Apple Music application, and inside the app you want to simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen. To do so, you'd be able to see your Apple account over here, and if you do not have an premium membership purchased, you want to simply tap on accept 3 months for 99 cents over here. After that, you'd be able to follow the prompt to purchase your Apple membership as well. However, if you have a membership and you're still not being able to download the musics, you want to simply check for your internet connection. Swipe down on the control center over here, and you want to simply make sure that your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. And if that's the case as well, you want to simply make sure that your device have enough storage as well. And if this all doesn't work out as well, what you want to do is you want to simply restart the Apple Music application or even your device once. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.